This is the slope analysis Topo mini workflow. This lets us see a piece of topography, whether it's a surface or a mesh, and analyze the facets of its face, of its, the different pieces of that mesh, and actually break them into separate meshes, actually. And, here you can see that we have different slopes. So anything between 0 and 2 is in the white. Between 2 and 5 is the next color, and on down the line. It's pretty straightforward. We can select this and do turn our points on using the F10 command on the keyboard, and then we can change that and suddenly see that we have different slope analysis in that area. So that's immediate, and it's a great way to understand what the slopes are on your site. You can also change the slope values that are being set here. So if I just wanted to look at a range of anything from 0 to 2, 2 to 5, and 5 and up, I could delete that. And then we look and we have 0 to 2, 2 to 5, and 5 and up. So it could be a way that you could really limit and focus really on kind of a diagrammatic understanding of slope. Now, the other thing you can do is add colors. So if I said swatch, and I'm going to need 3 swatches. You're always going to need 1 extra swatch for for the numbers you have, and you can see that here, right? So we go from 0 to 2, 2 to 5, and 5 and up. And then if we select different colors than what we had, I'm just picking something really quickly. So maybe we have blue. These are my favorite colors, RGB. And then we say merge, and you plug these in, and colors, and boom, you can determine custom colors for this. And again, all these workflows are, these mini workflows are extra editable, and you can make your own changes and just to your heart's content. If you want to bake, you could plug in a bake button, a bake name. You can tell it which layer to bake on, and you can also even add data to things when you bake. That's an awful lot just for the slope workflow, but I think it gives you some new possibilities of ways of using this. And as you can see, we're visualizing the customized. It's always an adventure. Customize slope steps over here in the grasshopper panel. We could add other things, like we could say publish these colors to the remote panel, and we could change those as well live here. So that there's a number of ways you can customize your own workflow. So have fun.